Welcome to this SysRev Quick Start tutorial. In this video, we'll cover how to add team members to a project. First, navigate to the Users tab on the Project Management page. Along with allowing you to send invites to your project, this page will show you who is part of a team and their role. A project creator is automatically set as the owner, admin, and as a member of the project. There are two ways to send invites: by sharing the invite link or by sending an email. Emailing invitations can help maintain more control, while sharing a link can make it easier when inviting large groups. Invitees will receive an email instructing them to create a SysRev account if they don't already have one. Once they set up an account, they will be able to join the project. When joining a project, new members are set as a project member. Project members are able to view and screen articles but have limited permissions. Tasks such as adding documents, creating labels, and managing project settings are limited to owner and administrative roles. As the owner of the project, you can provide individuals with enhanced administrative permissions. To do this, select the user you'd like to change, choose Admin, and click the plus button. Finally, click the Save button to set the new permissions. You can change permissions for a member at any time. To remove members from a project, click on the Remove Member symbol to the right of the user's name and list. A pop-up box will ask you to confirm. For a detailed guide on team member roles and permissions, visit our knowledge base at help.sysrev.com.